Number 7. Chromonia. Chromonia Studios, a blockchain platform that makes it simple to create dApps, was launched in August 2019 in partnership with Workin' Man Interactive. Chromonia intends to fund MMOGs, massively multiplayer online games, that run entirely on blockchain. In addition to NFTs, Mines of Delremia, their first release, is a mining game with economics and asset ownership elements that can be played across multiple platforms. CHR can be bought on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, Huobi Global, Upbit, Bythumb, Binance JEX. Number 8. Rarible. Rarible is an NFT marketplace that is focused on creators and uses the native RARI token. Any user can quickly build NFT crypto for one-of-a-kind digital products. The NFT crypto marketplace is fully functional. To fuel the platform's development, they use a portion of the revenue to subsidize the first mint transaction, where the NFT is made. The RARI token has a limit of 25 million, with the Rarible NFT marketplace receiving the overwhelming majority of the tokens. Rari can be bought on cryptocurrency exchanges like Uniswap, Mooniswap, Balancer, and others. Number 9. Wax. The worldwide asset exchange, Wax, dubbed the king of NFTs, is about to join forces with Capcom to offer ERC 721 and ERC 1155 tokens, multi-tokens, supporting fungible and non-fungible token types. Wax has been used by well-known brands such as Dead Mayo 5, Atari, William Shatner, Copcon, and Topps to launch their NFT crypto sales. Wax P can be bought on cryptocurrency exchanges like Huobi Global, Upbit, Bythumb, HitBTC, Qcoin, and others. Number 10. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is another blockchain-based platform that enables developers to monetize a particular digital asset type on the blockchain, known as voxel properties. The Sandbox, in addition to the NFT marketplace, allows users to build voxel assets in games using the VoxEdit and GameMaker tools. Transactions are made with the utility token SAND, and there will only be ever made 3 billion of them. SAND can be bought on cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Huobi Global, CoinTiger, Upbit, and others. Most expensive NFTs sold. Some NFTs were sold for millions of dollars, while some were sold for a few bucks. We will now look at the details of NFTs that were sold at a remarkably high price compared to other NFTs. Number 1. Everydays, the first 5,000 days. The most expensive NFT so far was the Everydays, the first 5,000 days, which also happens to be the most expensive artwork sold. This was created by Mike Beeple Winkleman, a collage containing 5,000 artworks of Beeple, which represented his artistic skills during his career. This was sold for an amount of $69.3 million at an auction conducted by Christie's, and the first time in history where an auction house sold a digital artwork. It was purchased by a person called Vinesh Sundarsan, CEO of Portkey Technologies, with a pseudonym of Mita Kovan. Initially, Vinesh disagreed on revealing his identity, but he revealed it afterwards. He said that the main reason for this was to show the world that even Indians and other people of color can also contribute towards crypto technology, just like the rest of the world. During this auction, the second highest bid was made by Justin Sun, who was the CEO and founder of Tron, and the bid amount was a hefty $60.2 million, which was the highest bid until Sunderson came over it. Number 2, CryptoPunks, number 3100 and 7804. Both CryptoPunk number 3100 and CryptoPunk number 7804 were an amount of 4,200 ETH. However, there is a price difference between these two NFTs. How can there be a difference in the price if both were sold at 4,200 ETH? CryptoPunk number 7804 was sold on March 10, 2021, and CryptoPunk number 3100 was sold on March 11, 2021. As we all know, the price of Ether is volatile and increased by a few $1,000s on March 11th. Therefore, CryptoPunk number 3100 was sold at a higher price, equivalent to $7,584,000, while CryptoPunk number 7804 was sold at a price equivalent to $7,566,000. CryptoPunk 3100 is a blue-collared alien-type CryptoPunk containing a band with the colors white and blue. On the other hand, the CryptoPunk 7804 is also a blue-colored alien-type CryptoPunk, which can be seen wearing glasses and a hat while smoking a pipe. Number 3, Crossroad. Crossroad is an NFT that Beeple also created. It consists of an image containing an individual, Donald Trump, lying down with some words related to defeat written all over the body. This artwork was created in correlation to the 2020 election and its outcome. If Trump won, there would be an artwork containing Trump wearing a crown and walking through fire. One of the popular NFT marketplaces that is a platform for most digital collectibles, known as Nifty Gateway, was responsible for selling this artwork. Sold by a Twitter user named Pablo Fraile for $6.6 million and bought by an unknown person. The seller initially purchased it 4 months before the transaction, and it was estimated that the sale fetched him 10 times profit on the actual amount spent for buying it. Number 4, the first tweet. An NFT was created for the first ever tweet of the co-founder and CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. This was not only the first tweet made by him, but it also was the first tweet that was made on Twitter. The auction was conducted throughout March of 2021 and was sold for a price of $2.9 million. This NFT was minted with the help of a platform known as Valuables, which lets users create NFTs and represent their tweets. Jack Dorsey, who happens to be a philanthropist, converted the entire funds to Bitcoin and donated all of that to Africa Response. Number 5, CryptoPunk, number 6965. After the alien-type CryptoPunks, the next rarest type was the ape CryptoPunks. CryptoPunk number 6965 is an ape-type CryptoPunk with a whatever type of expression. This was sold for an amount of $1.54 million in February 2021. The details regarding the seller and buyer for this NFT are unknown. Recently, during the time of writing of this book, this NFT has been listed for sale again for around 2,100 ETH, equivalent to $50.5 million. If the NFT is successfully sold, the seller would be sitting on a massive pile of money. Number 6, Genesis Estate. This is a piece of land, a virtual land, on the gaming platform Axie Infinity, and was sold for 888.25 ETH, which is equivalent to $1.5 million during that time. On February 28, 2021, this transaction was sold by Axie Infinity to a new player on the platform named Flying Falcon. Number 7, auction winner picks name. This is an NFT, which is as peculiar as it sounds. An American DJ named 3LAU created a music video and dance track in collaboration with a digital collage artist named Slime Sunday. This music video was created and auctioned on Nifty Gateway to let the buyers name it whatever they wanted. So the buyer will not only get to choose the name of the NFT and other open editions, and get the first edition of the available editions worth $9,999. It was sold for an amount of $1.33 million, while the buyer's details remain anonymous. Number 8, CryptoPunk, number 4156. Another CryptoPunk NFT sold for a colossal amount was CryptoPunk number 4156, which was sold for around $1.3 million. This CryptoPunk was just like CryptoPunk 6965, the ape type, with almost everything similar except CryptoPunk 4156 has a blue bandana. This transaction took place in a public auction, while buyer and seller details remain anonymous. Number 9, not forgotten but gone. This was an NFT that consisted of artwork created by a famous artist called Woo's Bee, renowned for creating gummy bear murals all over Brooklyn and giant statues existing in public places in many parts of the world. Over the recent days, Woo's Bee became familiar with the concept of NFTs and opted for showing his talent in the world of NFTs. As part of his idea, he created a 16-second video that consisted of gummy bear skeleton known as Not Forgotten But Gone, which was the most expensive NFT created by him and was sold for an amount of $1 million on the NFT marketplace Nifty Gateway. Number 10, The Best I Could Do. Justin Roiland, the co-creator of the animated television series called Rick and Morty, is famous for his abilities in productions and voiceovers. Justin also happens to maintain an animation studio as well as a video game studio. In January 2021, Justin decided to sell a collection of his artwork with the implementation of blockchain technology. On January 18th, Justin raised more than $1 million for his artwork with the help of NFT marketplace Nifty Gateway. This collection of his artwork was called "The Best I Could Do," which was even tweeted by Justin.